Alright, let's get started. So first open Notepad. In the first line, write the subtitles line. Then, add time points for the subtitle. Make sure to take into account the example shown in the screen. In the third line, write your subtitle. Now, give a name to your subtitles and save them as an SRT file. Make sure to change the save as type to all files. Now, you are ready to use your subtitles for saved videos, movies, or even websites that support SRT files such as YouTube.
Oh, you really suck! Oh, you really suck! The place has gone to shit.